benzoin benzoin condensation. Benzaldehyde, in the presence of the catalytic amount of the sodium cyanide and in boiling alcohol, undergo a condensation reaction to yield this alpha hydroxy ketone, and these are generally known as the benzoin. And this reaction is known as the benzoin condensation. The mechanism is as follows: in the step one, formation of the cyanohydrins take place. So the cyanide ion attacks the carbonyl carbon of the aldehydes to form cyanohydrins, in which the former aldehydic hydrogen is now alpha to the cyano group and is thus sufficiently basic to be removed as a benzaldehyde. By this cyanide ion form will attack on this benzaldehyde carbonyl carbon partial positive carbon of the benzaldehyde, and this electron density will be shifted towards the oxygen. Oxygen will get negative charge, and this cyanide will get attached to the carbon. After that, hydrogen, this hydrogen of the intermediate structure will be abstracted by a base, and this will be removed from the system as water, and this hydrogen, before leaving, it will give its electron density towards the carbon, and carbon will become negative charge. In the second step, the formation of the intermediate cyanodiol take place, and the resulting carbanion, and this carbanion, it will form in the step 1, attack another molecule of the aldehyde to give an intermediate cyanodiols molecule. This intermediate carbanion molecule will attack another benzaldehyde molecule, and this negative charge will attack on partial positive carbon of this carbonyl carbon, and this electron density will be shifted towards the oxygen. This whole structure will get attached to this carbon in this form, and oxygen will become negative charge. And again, after in the presence of this water molecule, this or the presence of this base is proton will be abstracted. This proton will be abstracted by this base and will be removed from the system as a water, and this hydrogen, before leaving, will give its electron towards oxygen. Oxygen will become negative charge. In the third step, removal of the cyanide ion from the cyanodiol to yield the benzoin. And here this negative charge oxygen density will be again shifted between the oxygen and the carbon, and this carbon will satisfy its bond valency by removing this cyanide ions, or this CN group as a cyanide ion from the system, and here a double bond carbonyl electron density will be again restored, and this cyanide will be removed from the system as a CN negative. It means that it is acting a kind of a catalyst, and it is restored